Hi, welcome to Brooke and Blake House. Today we are going to be doing a what?
Slime challenge!
So today we are going to compare two types of slime. The first type of slime we're going to compare is the fluffy kind. The second kind is the regular slime.
I want to do the regular slime. I want regular too.
You think you're gonna like the regular kind?
And yeah.
Not the fluffy and cushy kind?
I like fluffy.
Oh, so you think you're gonna like the fluffy kind?
I think I like fluffy too.
No. Okay, so you're gonna like fluffy. You think you're gonna like fluffy.
I like fluffy.
And now you think you're gonna like fluffy?
Yeah, I think you can like fluffy.
Okay, so maybe I will say I'll probably like the regular. The regular is the kind that we normally get. We buy it pre-made from the store. But today we're going to try the actual homemade slime. So the first thing we'll need to do is have a what?
Bowl.
One bowl for Brooke and one bowl for Blake.
King Blakey.
Brookie and Blake.
No,
Yes.
King Blakey.
And so first thing we'll need to do is pour in the glue. So Brooke has the red cup with her regular glue. Pour it on in, Brooke, and pour yours in, Blake.
Okay.
Pour it on in. Glue. Yeah, gushy glue. Yes. So after they pour in the glue, the second thing we'll need to do is... Oh, and actually this is 6 ounces of glue. 6 ounces. So I believe that is a regular glue container. 6 ounces. We just have a humongous container of glue. So I poured it in their cups. All right, so we got all of it out here. All right, so now we are going to add a little bit of food coloring. So what color food coloring do you have, Blake?
Blue.
Blue. So get your food coloring. And what color do you have, Brooke?
Red.
Red. So open it up. Uh-oh, you can't do it. Let's see here.
Okay.
There we go. Uh-oh. Okay, so let's start off with doing 3 splashes. 1, 2, oh, that's a lot. Okay. Well, you can put 2 more. It looks like Blake put about 5. Oh, and he's putting 6 and 7. So do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, this is 6 because they're both 30.
Okay. Next, we will need to add half of a teaspoon of baking soda. All right. Put it over the bowl. So half of a teaspoon is just half of it. You think you can do that, Brooke?
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
You can do a little bit more. Okay.
Sorry.
You can pour. Let's keep this much.
Okay, I poured it in.
Good job, buddy. All right, let's pour it back in. Great. So now we will need to, okay, you can start stirring it. Start stirring it.
No,
Okay. Now,
well, mine is looking kind of pink. And mine is looking kind of blue.
yes. Uh-oh. You need to actually open this glitter, and I might have a hard time doing this.
Oh, maybe you can get some scissors. That's what happened last time.
So I'll be back. Watch this. Stir the glue. Now it's starting to look a little bit reddish.
Mine is looking kind of pink to me.
Kind of pink.
Yeah. And mine looks like pinkish red. A knife, don't cut yourself, Mom.
Okay, I won't. So what do you like about slime?
I like playing with it and I like to hear the sounds.
Yes. You like to squish it. And yeah, it makes a lot of noise sometimes.
Yeah, because my big maroon slime, it makes sounds like.
Oh Oh, Blake. Okay, so let's pour a little bit.
No, I want to. Mommy, wipe it.
Okay, I will. Okay, pour a little bit, not a lot. Okay. Now pour. Now you can.
Mommy, I'm gonna pour a little bit, not you.
Okay.
Look at my
sparkly. All right, now Brooke, we will add your glitter.
I'm gonna put my spoon in the bowl.
Here you go. Your glitter. Here's your glitter. And then as you're stirring,
I'll put.
Okay.
No, I want to put the soda in.
You want to put the
Activated?
We're gonna put contact solution.
I'm gonna put the contact solution.
So we are going to add contact solution.
Okay, now you have
that's
to
a lot of glitter, huh? Contact solution to the bowl.
Can I have a little bit more glitter?
All right, a little bit more.
Can I do it?
Oh, that's a lot. Right, wait. You're gonna pour the whole container in there.
Can I do it like Brooke?
There we go. Okay, so let's pour the contact solution in there
No,
and stir it.
it.
Stir it as I'm doing it, buddy. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Yeah, keep stirring, keep stirring. Okay.
I'm gonna pour mine in.
Okay.
No, let me pour mine in.
Yes, they want to do everything by themselves. You're absolutely right. This is your slime challenge. Yeah, keep stirring, buddy. Keep stirring. Get it nice and good. Make it so this contact solution is supposed to make it pull apart from the bowl. All right. So we're back to Brooke and Blake's fun. Okay, so we completed the regular slime. Brooke, go ahead and show yours. Ooh, and Blake, show yours. Stretch it out. Oh, go ahead.
Mine has red glitter. It was red, but it turned pink because we put some glue in there. Oh, and mine turned blue and mine a little turquoise. Mine, the whole turned turquoise, and then these turned blue.
Oh, the glitter? Blue glitter. Yeah, if you could actually see close, there's little tiny pieces of glitter inside.
Oh, and now it looks like mine is black.
Really? Oh, when the hole came in there, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, so how do you like it? How do you like the regular slime?
Good. But I need to show them closer so then they can see the red. Save it, Queen.
Okay. Yes, so now we are going to
look at my slime. Oh, and I can also make a U.
Wow, good job. Yeah, for Brooke. No, it's not you for Brooke. That's horrible. Anyway, so now we're going to do fluffy slime. So we're first going to need to have a bowl. Show the bowl. And then we need to add 3 cups of shaving cream. So this is shaving cream. Brooke, do you think you can handle it? So I pour a little bit of that in there.
Then let me pour it in. I'm going to pour like a little bit of mine.
No, you should have poured it all. Pour more shaving cream in there to make it 1 cup. Oh, you know what? I think we need to shake yours.
Is that it? Is that it, Mommy?
Yes. Now pour that in there.
Mom, can you clean up this and this?
Yes, I'll clean it up shortly. Okay, pour the first one in there. 3 cups. 3 cups of shaving cream.
I need my first spoon.
All right, get it in there. Get it in there.
Get it in there. Wait, let's use a spoon.
Okay, yes, let's use a spoon. All right, 2nd cup. How many cups did you put in there, Brooke? That's the 2nd one?
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, no, this is the first one.
Oh, okay. There's
So
the
I need
2nd cup. Now you need to put 2 more in there.
Okay, 2 more.
All right, buddy. And let's do your 3rd cup. Blake, he loves a mess, so this is like great for him. Brooke, she doesn't really like a mess. Okay, pour it on in there. All right,
Oh,
Brooke,
can you hold this, Mommy?
Yes.
My
All right.
can be good.
So the next
Is
step.
this it, Mommy?
Yes. That's the second one. So the next step is 1 teaspoon of.
Now I need to do the third one?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we need to add 1.
I don't like a mess, guys.
Yes, she doesn't. Now we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So, messy boy, how didn't I think to bring a napkin over here? Like the messiest challenge we could have done, I did not bring a napkin, but it's okay. We'll work it out. So, let's put 1 teaspoon, Brookie. So once you get the shaving cream off of there, then you'll need to put 1 teaspoon. Man, I need a napkin. It's okay. I'll just have messy hands. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Can I pour it?
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can, messy boy.
Pour it all in there.
And now let's
Okay.
stir it.
Now we will need to add
Stir it.
1 tablespoon. Oh, we'll need to add the glue. And we're back. Thanks for watching Brooke and Blake's
Fun House.
So we ended up finding out the results of which slime the two like the best. So we had the fluffy slime, and we had the what? Regular slime. So which one do you like the best, Brooke?
I really like both of them. I like best, fluffy. But how fluffy it is.
Yes.
I like this one the best, but I really like my favorite color is really pink.
Yeah, your favorite color is pink, but it's just not as fluffy as this yellow one. So Blake, this is Blake's. It looks a little bit different from before. And the reason why it looks a little bit different is because he mixed them both together. He mixed the fluffy with the regular. So the blue with the red, and it became, what color is it?
Purple.
Purple.
That makes purple.
True 4-year-old boy fashion. He couldn't keep them separate. But, did you have anything else you want to say really quickly?
Oh, can I feel yours?
She just
Feel
wants to
mine.
feel it. Okay. Well, thank you so
mine
much
now.
for watching Brooke and Blake's. What?
Fun House!
Bye.